The Auditor General AG has unveiled massive car tender corruption involving a number of government ministries. Achipere mushe muri Zimbabwe nauye mota dzaitengwa negovernment dzisingazooneki kuti mota dzazodhilivharwa here. Aiwa yachinetsa pana vasavenda mbenda mashoko abuda chiexpose muzimu ai ndobva subscribe like kuti na on the bell vanonyora vachiti the Auditor General reviewed significant issues regarding the government's procurement process in a report for the financial year ending December 31, 2023 tabled before the parliament recently. The report highlights how the government has paid large sums of money for a variety of items including cars, laptops and furniture, but has often failed to receive the expected deliveries. Furthermore, the report indicates that little has been done to recover the misappropriated funds or the undelivered goods. According to the report, unscrupulous individuals have been exploiting the government's procurement system to their advantage. These individuals have been awarded lucrative tenders, collected the associated payments, and then neglected to fulfill their contractual obligations to supply the goods. One such example highlighted in the report involves the Ministry of Finance and Economic Development in December 2022. The ministry placed an order with the Tsapo, a car dealership, for 7 Toyota Hilux GD6. However, the report indicates that the ministry never received the ordered vehicles. Muri Zimbabwe pakashata ndona Yopiswa muzimu ai zvinzi aiwa pane matenders ari kuitika but mari iri kubuditsiwa ichisainiwa out kuti mari yanobhadharwa but zvinhu zvacho paground hazvisi kuuya zvakaita semota, malaptops nefurniture. Muri Zimbabwe zvinyaya iri kubuditsiwa panapa naAuditor General for the financial year ended 31 December 2023 zvikinzi aiwa pane maministries ari kuinvolviwa kusukandwa kuma-state funds. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti munoti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Pinda comment section medu musaona subscribe kulike chokutina on the bell icon.